Welcome to French Pod. Learn French with ease.
Les amis, bienvenue. You're listening to French Pod. I'm Erica Tremonti.
And I'm Amaury Libert. Bonjour à tous.
This is a newbie lesson you're listening to about where's the bathroom.
Common situation, Erica.
Right.
Always happens when you go to a bar or a restaurant. Otherwise, it could be in big trouble.
And it could be one of the only things you'll need to say.
Like it happened to me, unfortunately. I was in Eastern Europe, didn't know how to say it, they didn't speak English, and they gave me the menu. So, it was a bit...
Yeah, this can create a lot of problems, huh?
Yeah, I had to go back to my table, ask someone to translate.
Well, you're not going to have the same problem because we're about to teach you how to say, where's the bathroom in French, right?
Yeah.
We're going to listen to a dialogue. We're in a restaurant. There's a man. He's got to go to the bathroom. So he's going to ask the waiter where it is.
Yep.
So this first time around the dialogue, you might not understand everything, but we're going to tell you one of the lines to make it a little bit easier. What is it, Omri?
Au premier étage.
Okay, and that means on the first floor.
Right, yeah.
What is it again?
Au premier étage.
Au premier étage. Here's the dialogue 3 times. As soon as we're finished, we're going to come back and translate it for you.
Here we go.
Dialogue first time.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Au premier étage.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Par là, monsieur.
Dialogue second time.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Au premier étage.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Par là, monsieur.
Dialogue third time.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Au premier étage.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Par là, monsieur.
Let's start with the translation.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Excuse me, where are the bathrooms, please?
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Excuse me, where's the bathroom, please?
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît? Au premier étage.
On the first floor.
Au premier étage.
On the first floor.
Au premier étage. Et où sont les escaliers?
And where are the stairs?
Et où sont les escaliers?
And where are the stairs?
Et où sont les escaliers? Par là, monsieur.
Over there, sir.
Par là, monsieur.
Over there.
Par là, monsieur.
So the first sentence, let's get right to it. Let's look at excusez-moi, easy stuff, huh?
Yeah. Excusez-moi.
And everything in this dialogue is the formal version.
That's correct, yeah.
Because these are strangers in your service situation, so you're going to be using the vous form.
Yeah, to speak to the waiter, they don't want to be rude. They don't want him to lead them somewhere else, so...
So how do you ask somebody, where is the ladies' room, the bathroom, the WC?
Où sont les toilettes?
Which part of that is bathroom?
Les toilettes.
And that's plural.
That's plural.
The les is the article we use for plural things.
Yeah.
Now we're going to look at how to say where are, which comes up a couple times in this dialogue.
Où sont?
All right, now which part of that is where?
Où?
Où. And then the whole phrase.
Où sont les toilettes?
Now the sont here means are because the bathroom is plural.
Yeah, the subject is plural.
So we use sont.
That's right, yeah.
And then they say please, it's the formal please.
S'il vous plaît.
So where is it?
Au premier étage.
Let's start from the end of that one.
Yeah, we've got 3 words here. Étage.
Which means floor.
Yeah, that's right.
And first floor.
Premier étage.
On the first floor.
Au premier étage.
Au premier étage.
Right, that's right.
They need to know how to get to the first floor.
Yeah, they have to climb up.
Which is kind of weird, but we'll talk about that later, why you would have to climb to get to the first floor.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Okay, so the stairs.
Les escaliers.
It's plural also.
Yeah, as well.
So we have the les escaliers.
Yeah, there's a small liaison here. Les escaliers.
Because escalier starts with the vowel.
That's correct, yeah.
That's plural as well. We have the same way to say where are.
Yeah, same structure. Où sont?
So the whole thing.
Et où sont les escaliers?
And the e means and.
Yeah.
So, where are those?
Par là.
And that you should just learn as one expression, just means over there.
Yeah, that's it.
What is it again?
Par là.
Let's listen to the dialogue 3 more times.
Dialogue first time.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Au premier étage.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Par là, monsieur.
Dialogue second time.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Au premier étage.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Par là, monsieur.
Dialogue third time.
Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît?
Au premier étage.
Et où sont les escaliers?
Par là, monsieur.
Now let's talk about this first floor thing.
Yeah.
Most of the time, the first floor you don't have to ascend to get to, but in France you do, right?
Yeah. First floor means you have to go up the stairs. So first floor, you need to go up the stairs. Sorry, but in France, it's like this, yeah.
Right. Like sometimes we have that, I think, we have like the ground floor, but then usually the next one up is the second floor. But for you guys, the first floor is always something you have to rise to.
Yeah, always. Yeah.
So what do you call the ground floor under the first floor?
Okay, yeah, some people are lucky they're gonna find a bathroom on the ground floor, which is called in French rez-de-chaussée.
Rez-de-chaussée.
Right, yeah.
Okay, and you'll even see that on the elevators, the button will say RC.
Yeah.
That means ground floor.
Yeah, because we see a number 1 on an elevator, it means second floor.
Yeah, it's all so confusing. You got to go up to the first floor, and then the second floor is really the third. Like, why don't you guys just do it simple, like us?
I don't think so. I don't agree. I think you just do it like us.
Yeah, I guess you guys did first, probably.
Yeah, let's say so. Yeah.
Now let's just review a little bit what we learned today. We learned how to say where's the bathroom,
Où sont les toilettes?
where are the stairs.
Où sont les escaliers?
On the first floor,
Au premier étage.
and over there.
Par là.
Right. Now, a little language tip before we go for newbies, especially if this is your first language you're learning, don't expect that you're going to retain every single thing that you learned today this first time around. It's okay. Don't put that unnecessary pressure on yourself. A lot of these things are going to come up over and over again as we study French because they're really high frequency words.
Yeah, right.
So we'll be seeing them again. Now, if you want to retain more from this lesson because you're just anxious to get to the next level, then you can go to FrenchPod.com and do some extra study. Even if you have 5 or 10 minutes, you don't have to spend hours. But you can see all the words and expressions we had today written down,
Yeah, you can get some more help.
which is really helpful for visual learners. And there's some exercises and all kinds of fun stuff to do. So
You're not gonna waste your time, promised.
yeah, you'll definitely go faster. But you'll still make progress listening to this podcast too. So listen to us tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
The French Pod Audio Review. Let's start with the vocabulary.
Restroom.
Les toilettes.
Floor.
L'étage.
Where?
Où?
Stairs.
Les escaliers.
There.
Là.
Now, a bit faster.
Floor.
L'étage.
Where?
Où?
Stairs.
Les escaliers.
Floor.
L'étage.
There.
Là.
Restroom.
Les toilettes.
Stairs.
Les escaliers.
There.
Là.
Floor.
L'étage.
There.
Là.
Now, use the words in context.
Les toilettes.
I'm looking for the restroom.
Je cherche les toilettes. L'étage.
On the third floor.
Au troisième étage. Où?
Where are my things?
Où sont mes affaires? Les escaliers.
The stairs are there.
Les escaliers sont là. Là.
It's there.
C'est là. Les toilettes.
I'm looking for the restroom.
Je cherche les toilettes. L'étage.
On the third floor.
Au troisième étage. Où?
Where are my things?
Où sont mes affaires? Là.
It's there.
C'est là.